Hello everyone, I am Bianca. Pig liver is an animal's internal organ. Rich in nutrients. Contains a lot of protein, vitamins and calcium, iron and zinc and other elements, all of which are needed by the human body. Eating pig liver often can supplement nutrition. It helps nourish the liver and improve eyesight, and has a blood-nourishing effect. Pig liver is a pig's detoxifying and blood-forming organ. It contains more toxins and a strong smell, so cleaning it before use is very important. Pig liver is generally stir-fried or used in soup, or boiled. Many people don't stir-fry pig liver well. The texture ends up tough, with a strong smell, and it doesn't taste good. If pig liver isn't stir-fried well, it has a lot to do with the cleaning method. Today I'll share the correct method with you. Remember not to wash it directly with plain water. Follow my method to clean it thoroughly. All the toxins and smell will be gone. Now follow the video and see how I do it. Today I spent 18 yuan to buy a piece of pig liver. Fresh pig liver is bright red in color, because pig liver is a detoxifying and blood-forming organ. It contains more toxins and blood, so it looks quite bright red. This set of pig liver has for small pieces. First, separate the pig liver and cut it into small pieces. Then slice it thinly. Try to cut it as thin as possible. This makes it easier to absorb flavors, and easier to cook through. The texture will also be more tender. After cutting, put it into a large bowl. This pig liver is quite large. I used half of it. The other half is saved for boiling. Next, I add beer to the cut pig liver. Enough beer to cover the pig liver, then mix it by hand. After a while, knead and rub it. Beer is great for removing the smell, and it contains lots of bubbles, which can wash out the toxins and blood. This way, the pig liver will be very clean. Knead it for about 2 minutes, then soak it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the water in the bowl is red like blood. This means the blood has been soaked out. Knead it again for a bit. Wash it once, then use running water to rinse the pig liver. Clean it thoroughly. Rinse it a couple more times to completely clean out the blood. Many people stir-fry pig liver as smelly and tough because the blood wasn't cleaned out properly. That's why it doesn't taste good. If there's a smell, it's only because it wasn't cleaned well. Only when it's cleaned properly will the stir-fried pig liver be delicious. When the water in the bowl looks relatively clear, drain the pig liver and take it out. Put it back into a large bowl. The clean pig liver. Now its color has turned pale. There's no more red blood water. This means it's cleaned thoroughly. Next, prepare a section of green onion white. Cut it diagonally into horseshoe-shaped slices. Then prepare a piece of ginger. First cut it into thin slices. Then cut it into shreds. After cutting, put it into the pig liver. Add some high-proof white liquor to it. Put on disposable gloves. First use your hands to knead the green onion and ginger into it. Knead to release the aroma of the green onion and ginger. The juice from the green onion and ginger can effectively remove the pig liver smell, and it's also a natural meat tenderizer. Then mix the pig liver with the green onion and ginger evenly. Add white liquor. White liquor has a high alcohol content. It can sterilize and disinfect. It can remove toxins from the pig liver, and the aroma of the liquor can remove the smell and enhance the flavor. After mixing evenly, marinate for 10 minutes. Next, prepare a small bowl. Add 10 grams of water to it. Then add 1 gram of baking soda. Stir until it dissolves. After mixing evenly, pour it into the pig liver. Add a little cooking wine to it. Mix evenly. Baking soda has a very good tenderizing effect. Add baking soda. Not only can it remove toxins from the pig liver, it can also make the pig liver's texture more tender and less smelly. After mixing evenly, marinate for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pick out the pig liver. Discard the green onion and ginger inside. Place it in a strainer to drain and set aside. This way, when stir-frying later, there won't be too much moisture affecting the texture. Pig liver processed this way has no blood water, has no smell, and no toxins either. You can use this cleanly processed pig liver to make your favorite dishes. Next, using this cleanly processed pig liver, I'll share how to stir-fry pig liver with you. Now, prepare some side ingredients. Side ingredients. You can prepare them according to your own preferences. I've prepared a few green peppers and 1 red pepper here. Remove the stem. Then cut it in half. Remove the seeds in the middle. For those who like strong flavors and can handle spice, you don't need to remove the pepper seeds. Then cut into triangular chunks. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Then prepare a handful of garlic. Cut it into garlic slices. We can use a bit more garlic. This way the garlic aroma will be stronger, and it'll taste better. Then prepare another piece of ginger. Cut it into thin slices. A section of green onion white. Cut it diagonally into slices. After cutting, place it on a plate and set aside. Then prepare a few pickled peppers. Cut them into small segments. After cutting, place it together with the green onion, ginger, and garlic. Next, stir-fry the pig liver. Add a bit more cooking oil to the pan. When the oil temperature reaches about 40% heat, pour in the pig liver. Turn to high heat and quickly stir-fry. The stir-frying time shouldn't be too long. About 30 seconds is enough. High-heat stir-frying locks in the pig liver's moisture, making the pig liver taste especially tender and fresh. The pig liver changes color. Use a slotted spoon to drain the oil and remove the pig liver. Leave some base oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, add the prepared aromatics. Stir-fry over low heat to release the aroma. After frying until fragrant, add 1 spoonful of bean paste. Stir-fry evenly. Fry until the red oil comes out. Then add the chopped green and red peppers. Stir-fry evenly. Fry until just cooked. Then add the pig liver back in. Quickly stir-fry evenly. After stir-frying evenly, start seasoning. Add 1 spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of chicken essence, 1 spoonful of sugar to enhance freshness, 1 spoonful of 5 spice powder. Then drizzle in light soy sauce to enhance flavor. Oyster sauce to boost freshness. Quickly stir-fry evenly. Fry until all the seasonings are fully incorporated. Fry until the pig liver absorbs the flavors. Stir-fried pig liver. The frying time for pig liver shouldn't be too long either, about 2 minutes. Then drizzle in some water starch. Thicken with a light coating. Quickly stir-fry evenly over high heat. This way, the seasoning flavors coat the pig liver. Stir-fry a few more times and turn off the heat. Remove from the pan and plate it. This is how stir-fried pig liver is done. It tastes tender and flavorful, not smelly or tough, great with drinks or rice, and super rich in nutrition. Have you all learned how to clean pig liver? Remember tip 1, don't wash with plain water. Use beer and white liquor. They can effectively remove toxins and smells. Tip 2, when frying pig liver. Use low heat to stir fry initially. When the oil temperature rises, the pig liver will be cooked. Frying pig liver at high oil temperature can easily make it tough. The frying time shouldn't be too long either. Fry until the pig liver changes color, then remove it. Otherwise, the texture will become tough. Tips for handling pig liver. Have you all remembered them? Pig liver made with this method has all its toxins and blood completely removed. Clean and hygienic. That's all for today's video. If you like it, save it and give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like, follow, and share. Click my profile to see more food videos. See you in the next video.